The stock market just crashed, but that's nothing to be worried about. It's actually a good time to buy. It's kind of like we're going back in time before, the market was at its all-time high, before Tesla was at its all-time high. Tesla's up like 100% in 3 months or over the year or something like that, you know? And it's came back down. We're at a dip. Market crashed a little bit. Fed cut the interest rates. That's why the market crashed. Interest rates went down. That's not a bad thing. Stock market went down. That's not a bad thing. You can buy shares at a cheaper price. Historically speaking, the stock market goes up over time. It's facts. There's historical data proving so. So right now is not a bad time to buy. It crashed, but it didn't even crash all that much. Or at least my portfolio didn't. What I'm invested in didn't. And I'm invested into blue chip companies, blue chip ETFs. Walmart's, McDonald's, the Teslas, the Googles, the VOOs, the Nasdaq, the SCHD, the SPHD, the Realty Incomes. That's kind of what my portfolio is consisted of. Amazon's, Apple. That's what my portfolio is consisted of. That's not everything, but and my portfolio took a good hit. I was like, whoa, but I was excited. I was excited. I want to see red in my portfolio because I've had a lot of green. So I'm ready for some red because now I can buy some shares at a cheaper price and it's not just going up and going up. And I'm buying in my the name of the game is, or my strategy, a lot of people like this as well, and this is really the best way to go in my opinion, is dollar cost averaging. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm doing. When the market crashed, I was buying the way up. The stock is going up, right? And I'm buying the whole way up every week. It's going up every week, and I'm buying. It's going up and up. Now it's then came down, and I can buy some shares back at a little cheaper price now. You know what I'm saying? Where I bought a couple up here, now it's coming down. It's going to stay down probably for who knows how long. It might stay down for a week or 2 weeks. And if that's the case, now I can buy a couple shares or whatever at a cheaper price than what it was last week. Like I said, historically, it goes up year after year. Not every single year is some years it might trade sideways, some years it might be down. You know what I'm saying? But historically speaking, you can go back and look at just blue chip companies, just the overall stock market in general, VOO ETF, overall stock market. You can see consistently year after year, it has went up in value, appreciated in value. So the stock market crashing through all the market crashes. Look at the last so-called market crash and compare it to where we're at now. I bet we're up. I bet we're higher even in this current crash. So the point is, buy the dip. You know what I'm saying? Right now is a good time to buy. It's not bad to panic. Or it's not good to panic. Don't panic. Because it's not a bad time to buy. Interest rates are going down. You can get a better loan on a property now. Things like that. So if you ask me, I don't think it's a bad thing. I say buy the dip. in a couple months, in a couple weeks, I think once inauguration happens, Donald Trump is in office, we're gonna be past this dip. We're gonna be back hitting all-time highs on Tesla and shit like that. Like I think the market is gonna continue to keep going up over 2025. This little dip right here ain't nothing. It's always some news that's gonna come out that's gonna be a dip. So that's why you can't kind of time the market or whatever and kind of capitalize off of the news and stuff that's going on. You could have bought a put if you heard that the news was coming out and had a feeling that the I'm not even gonna speak on options at all because I'm not an option trader. I don't know nothing about options, but I think it's puts. You could buy a put and bet on the stock going down, and you could have made hella fucking money. You know what I'm saying? It's people that's doing that, but that's kind of gambling, and that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for dollar cost averaging, and what that does is no matter if the stock is up or down, you're gonna your average share price is going to fluctuate. So if you bought Bitcoin at all time highs, right? You know, because you're excited about, oh, it's going up, I think it's gonna go to the moon. Don't put all your money at top. You know what I'm saying? You know, it could continue to keep going up another 50% and you can make some money, but you don't know that. You know, the thing is it's always going to go up and down forever. You feel me? So you never know what it's going to do long term. You know, so that's why you buy no matter what the price is doing, so you can have an average price. So when it does go up, you know, and you're at an average price, chances is you're going to be in the green when when that stock is performing well. You know, if you're buying consistently over time, it doesn't even have to be a long time. It could be a week, a month, 6 months, a year. You know, it doesn't have to be forever. Like, you know, you know, if you see profit, take profits. And that's one thing I got to start doing. If I see profits, take profits. You know, don't wait on it to start going down and be like, oh, I should have sold. You know what I'm saying? Or don't be greedy thinking you can get more. Because you never fucking know. If you see profit, take profit and be happy with it. You know what I'm saying? But that's how I feel about the market crash right now. I think it's a good time to buy. You know, I think the economy over the next year, I think the markets is going to do great. I think real estate is going to return. Interest rates has went down. So real estate might be going back up, even though I think it's still taking a hit, man. Let me see. Let me check my realty income right quick, just for example. Yeah, it's down on the week too, 4%. So it's crashing. Real estate is taking a big hit over the last 3 months. Realty income is down 15%. You know what I'm saying? So I seen that dip on them, and I was like, let me pick them up, cause it might be a good little swing trade for me or something. I don't know. I might hold them long term. I don't know yet. But that's my opinion on the overall market, man. I personally use Robinhood to trade. I'm thinking about making a paper trading account on Webull. I don't know if they have a computer version, like a computer website that you can get on, so I can show y'all on the computer, or I might just have to use my phone or something and do that. But I'm thinking about making a paper trading account duplicate of my actual portfolio, so that y'all can kind of really see what I'm investing in without y'all being all the way in my business and knowing exactly my dollar amount that I fucking have in this shit. You know what I'm saying? So that'll keep me kind of private, but it'll also show y'all that how I'm actually performing myself. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not just talking the talk. I'm actually walking the walk. You know what I'm saying? But cause I've done, my portfolio's done good over the last 3 months. You know what I'm saying? So, and that's because of the market. That's not because I'm fucking just know it all, but I've held and I've dollar cost average. You know what I'm saying? And over these last 3 months, my portfolio has went up. You know what I'm saying? Due to dollar cost averaging. It could have went down though. You know, that's the game. And now it can go down for who knows how long. But Donald Trump getting in office, I think, is a good thing for America. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a political person, none of that. But it's definitely good for the market, because when it happened, when he won the election or whatever, the market went up. It literally went up. That was like what, 3 months, a couple months ago. And since then, the market has went up. Tesla has went crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I think when inauguration comes, we're going to be past this dip. Tesla might be at new all-time highs. You know, that's just what I think personally. So I'm trying to buy up as much as I can before inauguration and before 2025. And you know what I'm saying? Because I think it's going to be a good year for the market. You know, that's just what I think. You know, who am I? I don't know nothing. You know, I'm just a retail investor like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? I'm no special to anybody else. This is just my way of thinking, you know. But if y'all fuck with it, man, Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe button, turn on post notifications, man. Like I said, I personally use Robinhood to invest into my portfolio. So if y'all want to use Robinhood, sign up for Robinhood. I do have a referral link. I will get free stocks, but you will also get free stocks as well if you use the referral link. So we're helping each other in a sense. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to. You can download Robinhood without the link. I won't care. You can sign up for another platform. There's other brokerages out there that are great. You know what I'm saying? Like Webull, like Fidelity, like Schwab, like um, all of these well knowns that's been in the game way longer than Robinhood. So I don't care if y'all do what y'all want to do. If you don't use the link, whatever it is, if you want to help support whatever, and you can get something in return. We can both get something in return, you know? So I just had to disclose that to y'all because a lot of people just be throwing these links, and, you know, it is a referral link. But that's what I use. I use Robinhood. So I'll leave the link in the description and the comment section if y'all want to use it. If you made it to the end of this video and you bored, check out this video to the left or check out my music to the right. I just dropped some new shit, all platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, all that good shit. So y'all go run that up. But I'll get at you on the next one, man. I'm gone. TYP the 9.